We are about to videotape Lexi playing with her new favorite toy, the pig. The pig, let's introduce the pig. The pig. Lexi loves her toys, and she is salivating, waiting to get her pig. Get that pig, Lexi. Get that pig.
Give me that toy. Give me that.
Get that pig. Get that pig. Kill it. Kill it. Well, that pig hollers.
Woo!
That pig is hollering. She tries to break these open and get the little sound out, but she can't seem to do that one with the piggy. Get that pig, Lexi. Oh, it's screaming. Oh, you're killing it.
Wait, go upstairs.
Get it. Bring it down here. Bring it here, Lexi.
Get it.
Bring me that pig. Lexi, bring me that pig. Come on. Get down here with that pig. What a good girl. And there's her bone. Crazy dog. Lexi, look at Mama. Lexi, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Sit. Sit. Lexi. Lexi. Lexi, sit. I'm trying to talk to her. Lexi. Lexi. Lexi, come here. Sit.
Good girl.
She's too into her pig. Lexi, do you want to sit for Mama? You want to come sit for Mama? Come here. Now sit. Sit down. Sit. Not lay down. You're supposed to sit. Get up. Get up. Come here. Come here. All right, now sit. Sit. Now shake hands with me. Shake hands. Shake. Shake. Yeah. Shake. Shake. Shake my hand. Good. Put it in my hand. Good girl. Good, Lexi. Say bye-bye. All right, go get your pig. Get your pig.